Alright, this is how you can find a meme coin listing online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Assuming you have your search engine or browser device, you can type here on Google the name of the cryptocurrency meme coin that you want. So for an example, we're going to use this as an example, which says Dogecoin Calander events, and you want to click on the first website which says Coiner or Coiner. In this case, we already have it pulled up, and you want to click on the second tab. So instead of clicking feed, you want to click on calendar, and as you can see now, you can check out all the different things that's the crypto listings online for this Dogecoin cryptocurrency, which is a meme coin. Last listing was in April of 2023 on Binance. We have a BitMEX, Fairdesk, etc. If you go to the fourth option or tab which says exchanges, you can now see all the current cryptocurrency listings for Dogecoin that is basically centralized and even decentralized. And trust me, there's a lot, but this is a really good website. You can do the same thing with other cryptocurrencies. Just type in here calendar events and then go under to Coiner completely for free.